Most drivers mount a single lens to their front windshield, ensure it captures the road ahead, and assume they are protected. But traffic collisions and physical hazards do not restrict themselves to a narrow box directly in front of your headlights. This diagram outlines the true spatial coverage of a standard camera. The blue cone covers the hood, leaving a massive 240-degree red zone of completely unmonitored space along the sides and rear. This dark zone is exactly where the majority of sideswipe collisions originate. When an incident occurs entirely within that blind spot, you have zero visual evidence for an insurance provider. Without a clear record of who drifted into whose lane, a straightforward claim devolves into one driver's word against another's, leaving you financially responsible. The standard for vehicular protection has evolved to close this specific gap. We are now seeing the integration of premium 4-channel recording systems, utilizing synchronized lenses to establish a continuous 360-degree perimeter of truth. Upgrading to a multi-channel ecosystem removes the guesswork from roadside disputes. By capturing the front, rear, and sides simultaneously, it isolates and eliminates your absolute greatest spatial liability on the road. The baseline for this level of defense relies heavily on optical clarity, a threshold demonstrated clearly by the REDTIGER F17. It utilizes a 3-channel setup to transition forward-facing coverage into true 4K resolution. As this chart demonstrates, raw resolution requires the right hardware to handle extreme lighting. Modern cameras require advanced light sensitivity components, like the STARVIS 2 sensor. The visualization shows how HDR processing dynamically adjusts exposure algorithms to pull legible geometry and sharp lines straight out of deep shadows and heavy lens glare. That specific level of algorithmic processing is the only reliable way to capture and read high-stakes details, like a moving license plate, when both vehicles are traveling at high speeds in poor weather. External optics handle the road, but the interior of the vehicle carries its own set of vulnerabilities. The Vantrue N5 addresses this by utilizing a true 4-channel configuration heavily focused on cabin monitoring. This hardware monitors the trunk area, backseat passengers, and side windows, ensuring valuable cargo and occupants are recorded during transit and through 24/7 parking surveillance. Securing high-fidelity forward resolution while simultaneously locking down internal accountability forms the absolute bare minimum baseline for full vehicle protection today. Extending that protection to the left and right lanes requires highly specific hardware, which is the primary function of the FREEXAR D4. This system pairs its 4K front sensor with fully adjustable 1080p side lenses. By pointing these separate channels directly into the adjacent lanes, the camera systematically closes the exact geographical blind spots responsible for sideswipe accidents. Managing all of these overlapping video feeds simultaneously is a heavy computational task. The BOTSLAB G980H relies on advanced processing software to synthesize complex multidirectional hardware into one unified record. This radar visualization details exactly how the G980H layers its data. By projecting its 3K front lens, dual side views, and rear camera outward, the software knits the overlapping geometric cones together. The result is a continuous 560-degree field of view with zero visual gaps around the car. To contextualize those angles, the internal G sensor works alongside an 8-second pre-recording buffer. When a sudden collision is detected, the software automatically saves the footage leading up to the impact, ensuring the sequence of events is preserved before the damage actually occurs. By integrating these overlapping lateral lenses and buffering the immediate past, the entire vehicle operates as a proactive omnidirectional witness. The highest performing tier in this category takes complete 360-degree hardware and pairs it with unparalleled data extraction architecture. This is the exact configuration driving the IIWEY N6. This data flow visualization highlights a critical bottleneck in standard networks. Moving high-resolution video quickly requires a broad pipeline, which the N6 achieves through its 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6 architecture. This dedicated frequency pulls heavy video files straight to your mobile device at speeds reaching 20 megabytes per second. That high-speed extraction is supported by hyper-efficient local storage. A smart time-lapse parking mode actively condenses up to 48 hours of surveillance into a highly compressed format, while instant impact detection locks critical event clips, doing both without draining the vehicle's internal power. Unblinking visual coverage is only effective if you can pull the required evidence the moment a dispute begins. The most complete ecosystems secure the perimeter and guarantee instantaneous retrieval. Pressing the ignition and entering traffic without securing the sides and rear of your vehicle is a massive, unnecessary gamble with your personal liability. The required hardware to close those blind spots is available right now. It is built on 4K optical thresholds, dedicated cabin monitoring, absolute lateral coverage, and the massive data pipelines of Wi-Fi 6. Adopting a modern multi-channel system provides a rigorous, unassailable visual record of your drive. It replaces assumption with definitive, verifiable proof. Evaluate the vulnerabilities in your daily commute. Drop into the comments and let us know which specific layer of multi-channel defense fits your drive. And subscribe to see our ongoing breakdown of the premium automotive technology shaping the road ahead.